Welcome to my YouTube channel Safe Media.
Top 5 Best Product. Number 1. DeWalt DCF 922 Cordless Brushless Impact Wrench 20V Lithium Battery 1/2 2800 RPM 205 Nm Torque Variable Speed Electric Wrench. Number 2. $850N.M Cordless Ratchet Wrench 3/8 Electric Rechargeable Screwdriver Removal Screw Nut Car Repair Tools for Makita 18V Battery. Number 3. $850N.M Cordless Ratchet Wrench 3/8 Electric Rechargeable Screwdriver Removal Screw Nut Car Repair Tools for Makita 18V Battery. Number 4. $1,000N.M Brushless Electric Impact Wrench Cordless Electric Wrench 1/2 inch Screwdriver Socket Power Tools for Makita 18V Battery. Number 5. JISM 520N.M Brushless Electric Impact Wrench Cordless Electric Wrench 1/2 inch for Makita 18V Battery Screwdriver Power Tools. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel.